Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Doodle Crate unboxing, and I'm really excited about this and to see how it goes. Last month's was really fun. We made soap, so you can check out the link above to see our adventures in making soap. I really liked that one, so I'm excited to see what this one is like. And if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like this of curriculum we like, or organizational ideas, how we organize things in the curriculum, if I can speak, that we like to use in our homeschool. And so if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below, and let's get into this box. So it says make your own scratch lantern art, or scratch art lantern. Sorry, I can read. Design a glowing lantern with your own scratch art. So scratch art, I feel like, has become more popular in recent years. And you see it at stores, it makes a mess. It's really, I got it one time for a road trip. I'll try to link something, so if you're not familiar with what scratch art is, you can see a little picture of it. But it made such a mess in my car, so I would not recommend it. Like, I think at Target they had just little packets, and so they take a little wooden dowel type thing and they scratch off the black and it creates a picture. So it's really cool, but all the black you scratch off gets all over your car. So don't do that. And if you're gonna do it at home, you need to have a space that you're okay with getting really dirty, because it does make quite a bit of a mess. But my kids have also made them a lot in different crafts and activities for the co-op group that they go to and stuff. So it's become pretty popular, I feel like. So when we open it up, it looks like this. We have an example of what it's gonna look like on top. So you can kind of see this is gonna be the scratch art. So you've scratched it off black paper. So, and right inside here, it has a list of all the supplies that should be in your box if you wanna double check that. And then it looks like it gives a few ideas of how you could do it, and then pretty detailed instructions of how it's all gonna work out. So let's see what all the supplies are. This looks like a big piece of paper, so this could be to clean up the mess from the scratch art. So Kiwico knows, they understand it's messy. So, because it looks like just a big blank piece of white paper. So that might be what that's for. Then we have this little tool. It looks like this is what they've used for scratching. And these look like stickers. You can't really see them. They're probably clear or maybe white on there. And then this is black stickers. They're long strips. Here's this. I don't know, it looks maybe like a little light, because it does say this was a light up lantern. And we have some little rings right here. This is a little spongy dowel. And then we're gonna make cupcakes. No, I don't know what this is for, but they're little cupcake holders. And here's this, I don't even know what this is called. It's like the see-through foil. It's not foil. Whatever it's called, I don't even know. But so we have some of that, and then here is some triangles. They're really hard to see on here, but some triangles that they're see-through, like really thin plastic. And we have some paint. I don't know what color it is. Maybe it's black, because maybe they have to paint this with this and then they can scratch off their picture. So that might be what that's for. And then this is the triangles, maybe the device they make that you show in this picture right here. So it has a little border that's made out of wood, so that's what that looks like it is, and that's all that's in this box. So it'll be interesting to put it all together. Even though I bought scratch art and my kids have done it, I have never personally done it with them. And so we'll see how this whole process goes, because it'll be a new experience for me. So I'm gonna let my daughter get at it, and we'll let you know.
What that is for.
Ella finished her Doodle Crate today. Do you want to show them? You can see the little light in the middle as we turn it around. Yep, she's just showing you everything. Okay, well, we'll talk about everything in 1 second. So what was your favorite part of this one?
How I got the scratch hatchet.
Okay, so you liked scratching it all. So she made all these cool designs with her scratch art. Okay, what was the hardest part? Oh, sorry. You gotta see all the signs. What was the hardest part?
The hardest part was to like put the scratching on because it would take a little while.
Okay, I don't know exactly what that but the paint took a little bit of work. So you have all these triangles and it's just clear and you have to paint it twice and you have to let it dry each time. So we did that one day because she started it later in the day and then she started scratching it the next morning. So, sorry, I have a toddler yelling at me. She might come in a second, but so that's probably the thing, again, just to remember with the Doodle Crates. Sorry. Liddy, we're right here, babe. Stop yelling. So that's the biggest thing to remember with the Doodle Crates is, again, they just take some extra time. It's usually the Tinker Crates, you can sit down and do them pretty quickly, and the Doodle Crates take more time. So you have to take time to paint this, and then it took her a while to actually get it all scratched off. It was a little bit of work. But then you can kind of see how this is blue right now. It's making the light blue, and that's because the cellophane, I didn't know what this was called, I couldn't remember, but the book told me, so thank heavens for that. So the cellophane, you can put them inside and then it will create different colors. So right now we have the blue one in there, so that's why it's shining blue. So we really like this.
Show them the light, the light.
Oh, she wants you to see the light. Not in a weird sort of way, like you need to be spiritually led, but.
Look, light.
So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So that's the light. You've seen the light now. Okay, so this was a really fun craft. I think she had a fun time doing it and she didn't really require much of my help besides just giving little instructions here and there. And so we're really excited to see what next month brings. And so if you're interested in seeing more unboxings like this, please give this video a thumbs up so we know that you like it. And we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.